Hello world, Microcats! How about Arduino? Imagine that you need a keyboard and only a Werner caliper is at hand. This is not a problem if you have an Arduino. Arduino can be programmed as a USB keyboard and can also receive digital data from a meter. As a result, we get a virtual keyboard that transmits data to the computer in any text field. Where readings changed and immediately went to the computer. This device has a digital output that can be read. There is a button for forced reading of a caliper. It was an express project to automate caliper measurements. And to check if the Arduino is frozen, press caps lock. The blue light on the board should light up. Consider the electrical circuit. To work, you need an Atmega 328P microcontroller installed on the Arduino Nano board. We coordinate the voltage levels with the pins of the USB bus. And all the keyboard is ready. A simple matching circuit is assembled for the measuring device. Additionally, a scheme for working with a remote button has been introduced. Let's try to program a sketch. The project is based on the use of the indicated afters of the sketches. To emulate the keyboard, include the header file. We indicate the pins for working with the caliper. Signed and mode flags for measurement data and bit data counter. Ready data for sending. We indicate the pin for working with the external button. We create an object for working with the computer in the role of a keyboard. Variables to track when the caps lock button is pressed. Disable timer 0. Software USB needs resources. Setting up the pins for working with a caliper. This function does not work when using software USB. We work around the limitation by directly writing bits to registers. We configure the pins of the external button and the blue LED on the board. We check it with the caps lock button. Turn on the terminal for debugging. This terrible code had to be written because the println function did not want to work. It has to do with USB settings. It uses an endpoint interrupt mechanism and reads data from flash memory. To work with data from RAM, you need to edit the USB config library file. In an infinite loop, be sure to call the update function, otherwise the keyboard will fall off. When you click on the button, execute the sending code. Checking the data flags of the caliper, we send the required character data. We calculate the received data and also send them as strings. If we have received a sufficient number of data bits from the caliper and they differ from the previous ones, we execute the sending code. The sending code is the same when clicking the button. After sending, we will resave the data. We determine the status of a caps lock button and, accordingly, control it with a blue LED. In the int1 interrupt, we read the data bits and write them to the corresponding variables. We use our own function for converting numbers. The input is a floating point number and the output is its symbolic representation. The address of the buffer and the required precision are passed. Additionally, format with spaces. Thus, with the help of Arduino, we turned the caliper into an automatic keyboard. That's all, see you in the next video. Subscribe, MicroCat.